Hi. There's always an appetite to find out the differences between TP-Link mesh Wi-Fi systems. This is a quick video showing you the differences between the M5 and the M9 systems. They look the same, but are they? So let's quickly rattle down through these compare products, which you can do on the TP-Link website, but I'm doing it for you. So first up, Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi speeds, they're both Wi-Fi 5s. The Wi-Fi speed, the M9 has got a double 5 gigahertz setup as well as your 2.4, so that has actually got a maximum megabits per second on the Wi-Fi of 2134 versus 1267 on the M5, so you're getting a faster Wi-Fi. Next up, the antennas are giving you better coverage basically, so you've got 8 antennas on the M9, you've got 4 on the M5. Now this is comparing each unit, so on the comparison screen that I'm using it's 2 versus 3, but actually this is per unit, so it is a like-for-like comparison. It gets you a better coverage. The M9 gives you 4,500 square feet coverage for the setup, and the M5 will give you 3.8, so it's better on the M9 in terms of coverage. You've got a better capacity as well, you can get more users on, so you've got tri-band rather than dual band with the M9, which is better. But then you've got this thing which they call MUMIMO. Sounds crazy, doesn't it? It sounds ridiculous. It means multi-user, multi-input, multi-output. Basically, it's the better the system, the more users you can get on that system. What happens is the M9 actually has multi-streams going, so it's got different streams of 5 gigahertz, so it can basically handle more people. So if you've got a high amount of users, the M9 is the better setup. They've got the same processors in, they've got the same gigabit ports, so all of that is the same. You can set up your guest networks, you can have parental controls, you can do all of that with both of these systems. There's parental controls there. You've got quality of service. This is where you can, both are the same. This is where it allows you to prioritize which devices are getting the best service. Okay, so you can do that as well. Lots of functionality with TP-Link. And that's basically it for this as a comparison. Now let's have a look at the prices. So now I've gone to the Amazon website to give you an idea of prices. So is it worth the upgrade? On the left, you've got 3 setups, which are as of today, day of recording, the setups you can get from Amazon. So you can get a 1, 2 or 3 unit setup for the M5. The M4 today is only offering you a 3 unit setup. So let's compare the M4 and M5. It's a straightforward 249 versus a 149. I think it all comes down to what you want to do. Personally, I would upgrade if you've not got a mesh system. What you can always do is you can add to systems. So for example, you could get a 2-node M5 system and then later on add a single M9 as a primary. TP-Link allow you to add more and more nodes of different models to create a complete mesh Wi-Fi system, and then you can prioritize your best models as your primary. So you could start with an M5 and then add 9 M9s as you go. It's just a thought. Hope you found that informative. I'm going to put out some more comparison videos. I'm going to try and keep them quick to give you the information you need. Thanks for watching. Like, please subscribe. Thank you. I couldn't have said it better myself.